This is the Tall Tales stamp set and is adorable. But what I really like is the quilted cover plate die. This slimline cover plate die has a cutting edge on all four sides, plus small piercers to leave an impression in the paper. Once this die cuts away the cardstock, it is the perfect size pre-cut to go right onto a slimline card. Today I would like to show you exactly how I like to use this die and give it just a little step up to give some ink blending for a customized look. As you notice the color going onto the paper, those pierced lines appear darker. The ink is being grabbed by the paper where the piercing marks are, and this is going to enhance the look and really let that die's purpose shine. For this project, I wanted to get just kind of an ombre look and use that background to feature on the middle. The highlighted area is in the middle of the giraffe and a stack of books. Using inks to enhance a background is a really fun and easy way to create a slimline card. Once I have inked up all of the areas, then I'm going to use a water bottle to spritz that ink and pick up the water droplets with a cloth. This is going to create just a little bit of interest, and so we will have our piercing marks and the water droplets. After that is completely dried, I'm going to adhere it to a side folding slimline card base. Now we are ready to feature some images. Off camera, I have already colored the giraffe and the stack of books and this adorable little owl. I've trimmed off a portion of the giraffe so that I can have all of the images fit side by side. These images are officially slimline stamps, but they can easily be featured on an A2 card as well. Just simply stamp, color, and die cut your images and then crop them down to a manageable size to fit onto a standard A2 sized card. For the sentiment, I used from another stamp set in the Trinity Stamps product line that says Kindness Matters, and used a coordinating die to die cut it into a little banner. Now I'm placing some Trinity embellishments around the card, and there we have two slimline products in one project. So much fun.